Okay, so like I'm actually kind of frustrated right now, but we'll be doing 5.12 behaviors of implicit relations. My phone died in the middle of me recording my video, and yeah. So it's already pre-worked, but we can just go through the problem. Okay, so it's saying consider the curve in the xy plane for each problem. At a point given point, is the curve increasing or decreasing? Justify your answer. So here we're going to be using implicit differentiation. Basically, that's when you take the dy over dx from the y and just derive the x or any other number with any other variable differently, not differently, just like normally. So for here we got 2x because x squared and minus y because of y square over 2, and that'll be dy over dx and equals to 0. So here we're plugging into points for our x and our y, so we get -2 for the answer, and we just move it over, and we get -2 since in the point is -2 times dy over dx. And so at this point we're trying to solve for dy over dx, and that would just be -2. I'm sorry, we just got to simplify to get it alone. So divide -2 the other side, and that will be dy over dx is equal to -1. And it's asking if it decreases or increases at the curve. So since dy over dx, the point -1, 2, is less than 0 on its curve. I meant to put curve, but I just didn't want to go over there. On its curve, it's decreasing. So yeah, let's get into the second problem. The second problem, we're basically doing the same thing, except for y would just, since it's implicit, y would just be differentiable by dy over dx. So for here, multiply to the front, it'd be 2 over 3x -1/3 plus 2 over 3 times y times dy over dx equals to 0. So this number always turns 0 basically at the point, and we'll be using this point for the next one. But I just like to put it into like its correct form, like so you won't be confused with all these like exponents, stuff like that. So this is 2 over 3 times cube root of x plus 2 over 3 times cube root of y times dy over dx equals to 0. And so here we're just going to plug in our points at this for our variables at this point. So x will be 1 and 2 will be -8, and we just solve 2 over 3. It will simplify 2 over 3 plus 2 over -6 times dy over dx. And so this is where we left off. And for that one, we'll just move the excuse me, sorry. For that one, we're just going to move the 2 over 3 to the other side. It's because we're at this point we're trying to get dy over dx alone. So it'll just be 2 negative over -6 times dy over dx equals to -2 over 3. You just multiply this fraction on the other side. It'll be -6 over 2, and that'll just be 12 over 6. So to simplify down, dy over dx equals to 2. So on the curve, it's increasing because dy over dx 0.1 -8 is greater than 0. So there you have it. Bye.